This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the parental controls on your iPad. So just locate settings right here and open this up. Then on the left side here we want to scroll all the way down until we get to screen time. Select screen time right there, and then we are looking for content and privacy restrictions. So this will be your parental controls. We can go through here and we can tap each individual item if we want. Otherwise, we can go by like different age categories for the content we're going to use. App Store media, allowed apps and features. We can go into those categories, or we can just go to the top and just simply turn it off right here, and that will turn off the parental controls completely. So if you do have a passcode or a PIN on your iPad, you're going to need to type this in before you can actually turn it off. Now I don't have one, that's why I'm able to just turn it off completely without typing anything in. But if you look at these different options in here, you can go to 18 plus, explicit for different settings, and you can reduce those so you're not able to play certain things or watch certain content. So just look at this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.